To know more about its history, it's important to know who developed Python. In 1989, Guido van Rossum developed this language. Remember that it's an open source language from day one. Today, many companies are just Google and Facebook use it. Python is simple and easy to use, which is the major reason behind its popularity. It's a scripting language that uses both OOPs as well as functional programming concepts. Python has undergone a lot of changes since its origin. As you know, Python was officially created in 1989. Python 1.2 was released in 1994. Python 2.0 was released in 2000 and Python 3.0 was released in 2008. The most famous version of Python is 2.7 version. Its 3.0 version adoption was slow earlier, but it has picked up in the last few years and is widely accepted today. You should know that all new libraries in Python primarily use Python 3.0.